Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make the Denmark flag in Minecraft. First, you will need 6 white wool blocks and 1 red dye. Combine these items in your crafting table to create a plain red banner. This red banner will serve as the essential base for our iconic Danish flag design. It's a simple first step to a great build. Next, we will add the iconic white Nordic cross. Take your red banner to a loom. Place the banner in the loom's input slot. Then, select white dye and choose the cross pattern. This will apply the bold white cross, making your banner instantly recognizable as the Danish flag. It's a crucial step to capture the flag's true essence. With the white cross added, your Denmark flag is now complete. You can place it proudly in your Minecraft world. Consider using several flags to decorate a castle, a town square, or even your own home. This simple yet striking design is a fantastic way to add a touch of national pride and detail to any of your creative builds. And there you have it, your very own Denmark flag, crafted in Minecraft. It's a simple and effective way to personalize your builds. Feel free to experiment with other banner designs and colors to create unique decorations for your world. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial thinking, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.